Namaskar. Skin aging is a natural process, and the sign of skin aging is seen in the form of wrinkles, basically on the hand and face. Even though it is an age-related change, certain causes can lead to development of wrinkle in the early age. Since we use our hands so often, on our hand, creasing and suppleness goes away very fast because the skin is delicate. There are few more factors that contribute to the wrinkles in the hand. First, excessive hand washing has become more compulsory during this time of pandemic. But you should remember that you have to moisturize your hand immediately after washing. Second, dehydration. Third, repeated exposure to chemicals. Fourth, everyday household chores like washing dishes, clothes and other things. Have you ever tried to put your hand, maybe just a little finger, in water for 5 to 10 minutes? When you take it out, you will see entire wrinkles on your finger. If you keep your hands in water for long, then naturally more wrinkles are going to come, and that too very soon. Fifth, overexposure to sun. All these factors make your skin dry and prone to wrinkles. Today, I am going to talk to you about natural simple remedies which you could use on your hands and face to make the skin smooth and healthy. First, banana, aloe and olive oil hand mask. This nourishing hand mask is one of the best solutions to instantly moisturize, and it can be prepared in just few minutes. Take one ripe banana and mash it well. Then add a tablespoonful of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon olive oil. If you do not have olive oil, then you may use other oils like coconut oil, jojoba, almond oils, etc. Once this paste is prepared, apply a generous amount of this paste all over your hand, especially on the palm and back of the palm. Leave it for 20 minutes and wash it out with warm water. Aloe vera contains vitamin E, which aids in healing of skin damage and results in a healthy glow. Banana helps to hydrate dull and dry skin. Bananas include vitamin A, which aids in fading of dark spots and preventing of aging. Olive oil boosts collagen production in the skin. Try this amazing hand pack and you will see tremendous difference on your skin. Second, exfoliation for radiant skin. Exfoliation is a very crucial step to help the skin. Exfoliation or scrubbing of skin helps removing dead cells and dirt from the skin and help to reveal the hidden glow of the skin. Exfoliating once a week can keep your hands healthy, clean and radiant very easily. You can use easily available ingredients to make a good scrub. Take sugar crystals and coconut oil. Mix it well and apply in a circular motion on the skin. Keep it for 10 minutes and then wash it off. This scrub will make your hands smooth. It would really nourish your skin and make it glow. Another excellent scrub could be rice flour and rose water. This also will really make your skin radiant and healthy looking. Third, exercises to make the hand's skin firm and healthy. Nowadays, the excessive use of finger and thumb is there on our mobile or all the other electronic gadgets. But because of this, our palms and hands don't get enough exercise at all. Nor do we consciously remember to stretch our palms and hands or even rotate the wrist. All this can lead to skin sagging and wrinkles. Hand exercise has potential to stretch the muscle. Hand exercises have the potential to stretch the hands and skin to see that the wrinkles could be prevented. One simple hand stretch is to close your fist very tightly. When you do this, you are indirectly pressing the acupressure points on your palm. Hold it for some time and then release. There would be a gush of blood flow in the palm region. This stretch can also be done more systematically with inhalation and exhalation. Take a deep breath, inhale and close your wrist tightly, then exhale tightly again, stretch it strongly and release your fist. Do this 10 times in one go and repeat it very often during the day. It will surely help to prevent the wrinkles and sagging of your skin. Also, a few other things like rotation of your wrist, then doing backward namaste and Gomukhasana are few excellent stretches to prevent hand wrinkles. Fourth point, essential anti-aging vitamins. First, vitamin A. Vitamin A helps to maintain the health of your skin. It increases the formation of collagen, which helps to minimize fine lines and wrinkles. Eat sweet potatoes, carrot, black-eyed beans, broccoli, spinach and all other leafy vegetables. Second, vitamin C. Vitamin C prevents the early formation of wrinkles as well as dryness of the skin. Have citrus fruits like lemon, amla, oranges, etc. Take berries, strawberries and blueberries also. Third, vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiencies can result in skin damage, and that too more quickly when exposed to the harsh sun. Therefore, it is very essential to have enough vitamin D in your body. Remember to take early morning sunrise on your body to prevent deficiency of vitamin D, and avoid exposure to harsh sun because that would cause more wrinkles and aging process faster. Also include vitamin D rich products such as milk, soya milk, yogurt and mushrooms. Drink plenty of water and other liquids like coconut water, fresh fruit juices and vegetable juices because you have to keep the skin hydrated and prevent wrinkle formation. If you have to remain in water for long, then better wear gloves to see that you don't hurt your skin because of prolonged water exposure. Apply sunscreen and cover your hand, that is much better when you step out of the house in strong sun. Avoid exposing your hands to harmful chemicals that include cosmetic or operational chemicals or even washing detergents and soap. Getting a good night's sleep is also so important for your body because body rests at that time and recovers, rejuvenates itself, and so this is so important. Also limit junk food and processed food from your daily routine. These things increase the aging process very fast. Definitely avoid smoking and alcohol, which really accelerates the aging process. Stress, tension is a very big factor to bring aging fast. And so, try to see that you avoid stress and tension from your life. You have to learn to do the same work without tension. You are working, but with tension. So, learn that you have to focus on your work, nothing else. So enjoy and do the work nicely. Stay happy, stay healthy and enjoy your life. Namaskar.